Hello everyone, hello Virgo, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money weekly reading for the week of September 14th to September 20th. Just a word of, just a thought to be shared regarding, it's an astrological, planetary motion. It's like Mars going retrograde from 9th September to 13th November, quite a, long period. So when Mars is going retrograde, things wouldn't gain momentum. Like, things which were gaining momentum would slow down or halt. It could add to frustrations, it could add to, delays. And to add to that, we already know Saturn and Jupiter is in retrograde. So if things are not working out, do not blame yourself. It is the circumstances, it is the planetary motions, which is causing these delays and obstacles. And just for the information's sake, I am, sharing this. Let's see Virgo, what's there for this week. Virgo, career, business and money for the week of 14th to 20th September. Ace of Swords with the Six of Swords or Six of Cups here. So I think there is a new beginning, there is a new message, there is an information coming from Six of Cups energy. This is like you, with this new beginning, something from the past, your past is returning. You could get money from a situation that you might have invested in past. You could get some money. There could be a breakthrough or clarity coming to a situation. You could get projects. You could be working on projects with the people from your past or from your past companies, like ex-employee you were, and maybe your ex-boss. So it's like you will be working, or an opportunity from the past will come back to you, and this will really make you happy, and you will feel good about it, and it's going to get you abundance, prosperity, happiness. With this Ace of Swords, some money also coming definitely for some of you here, Virgo. Being a Virgo season, happy birthday Virgo. Let's see what else for Virgo here. I think you will also be meeting a lot of friends and maybe colleagues, and you will be mixing business with pleasure. If you are traveling, you will be mixing this, you will be reaching out to people, making contacts, and you will be mixing business with pleasure here. Lot of business and professional transactions will go through. So the next, King of Wands with the High Priestess. So some of you Virgo here, this is the first card, this is the High Priestess. So it is like you are thinking about a new enterprise. Maybe you are thinking about a small business or something to start with. It could be a new idea, it could be about a creative project, or it's just that it's in your mind. But with the High Priestess coming here, you feel unsure whether this business was going to work or not, or even if it's a new job situation, you are in a confusion, you are like in an indecisive state. So this High Priestess card coming is like asking you to trust your intuition, asking you to balance, asking for balance. So this is what it is, and to go slow. I mean, get all the information required. Do not rush into situations regarding this new project or a new business partnership or an association. So you need to go slow. This is a major arcana card, and you have got, see, with Ace of Swords also you have two minor and two major till now. So it shows that it's a long-term stability thing. This project is going to reap you benefits in the long term. And this is just the starting, so it's just asking you to slow down and trust your intuition. If you have that gut feeling that this is gonna work, you start off with this project, or get the information and slowly, because once with time clarity comes. This is the High Priestess. The High Priestess card is like something, if it is hidden, something more to know, you will get to know once you are giving this some time. So at present I feel that you need to take things slowly here, Virgo. Let's see what else for Virgo. Ace of Cups along with the King of Cups. So definitely this is a new beginning. Maybe again you have a new beginning here from something from the past, and this is a fresh new beginning for some of you here. Beginning with an interview, maybe you got a job, a message coming for a job. It could be about also a creative idea in your mind, or you will be feeling this is like this is something to do, overflowing with love, overflowing with feeling of happiness. So whatever this new beginning is going to get you abundance, like overflowing prosperity, overflowing happiness. And this is the King of Cups here. So it could be like there is some person in your life. It could be like there is some person in your life who would be helping with this new beginning. Now this is the Cups energy. It could be a Scorpio person. And here Cups and Cups, so definitely you do not have anything conflicting situations here. Both are Cups energies. And what I see is that this person will either help you, or this is you again taking control of your life regarding this new project, you getting the focus, you are psychic about this new project, new beginning that you're going to have. You know that it's gonna work, and it will make you emotionally fulfilled. It will, you will get awards for this project. It is going to be a successful project, whatever this new beginnings that you're going to have here. Definitely it could be related to job. It could be money also coming for some of you here, because you also have the Ace of Swords. Some money definitely coming to all Virgos. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, but I see here something very good like coming. Now we have this Three of Pentacles along with the, okay, so you have the Four of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles card. This is the first card. This is like a team. It's enhancing your skills, and working as a team, getting cooperation as a team. So maybe I think that there is a project in which lot of people are working with you together, Virgo. It could be in a slightly stuck position. There would be a stuck situation in some project which you already started working with lot of people around you. And what I feel, this is like it's a stuck situation. Of course this project is related to your money situation. All of you are working towards a certain financial goal. So right now maybe things are a little stuck. It shows that you need to, this stuck situation, you need to have out of box thinking. You need to be more creative, think about thinking out of the box and allow creativity to flow. So only then this stuck position, there will be movement. And as I told you, like Mars is in retrograde now, is already going in retrograde. So could be one of the reasons, some things getting stuck. So this is like, certain thing which was going on well, is you will see suddenly there is no movement. It could be like, a stalled interview. You have appeared and you're waiting for the letter, or something, a business deal which had gone through is stuck in somewhere. So this is what I get here. Maybe a negotiation, what was happening, a transaction, what was to happen, that is like might get stuck for this week. Now one more card I'll just pull up, and then we'll see the angel guidance card. Seven of Pentacles comes with the Knight of Cups. Now here you see there's a good news here. Seven of Pentacles, you are done. Here it is a stuck situation. Now this is for whoever resonates. This situation resonates for some of you here. Here for some Virgos, I see that you have been patiently waiting for your finished work. The work that you are done with. You have finished working hard on this and you're waiting for it, for the rewards. Related to, it could be a small project, it could be a big project, it could be interviews you have appeared and you are waiting, frustrated. But for some of you, you have this Cups here. So Cups here. So there is a good news coming to you regarding this stuck situation wherein you have completed your work. It's completion from your side, 100% completion from your side. and you have been waiting. So there is a good news coming this week, some message coming to you, some mail coming to you, and this situation is going to move forward now. It will bring you good result. It will bring you the desired results that you have been waiting for. So good news coming for the stuck situation, who's with your side of work done. There is definitely forward movement that I can see here. It could be in your job situation, it could be in your money situation too. Pentacle card, it could be in your money situation, and there is good news, so you will move forward with this. So this is it, Virgo. I see you have Pentacle card. I see some money coming from rentals, from stock market, from brokerage, from real estate, from farming, and definitely there is money coming, sudden money coming for some of you here. Ace of Swords. It could also with Ace of Swords, some of you, if you are due for promotion, your case will be pushed forward. So take action. This is what it says, that take action. If you feel that you deserve this, go and speak to your boss, to the concerned person, and it will be carried forward. So I will just pick up an angel guidance, Virgo, for you, and let's see. So it's intuition, follow your intuition. So very well, see, you got a High Priestess card also. So it's talking about if you follow your intuition, things will be great. So all the best, Virgo. Thanks for taking your time out and watching this video, and see you in the next reading. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel if you do like my reading, and happy birthday. Stay blessed, all of you. Bye.